Welcome. Today, we're covering how to replace the horn on a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. This is a maintenance task that addresses issues like a malfunctioning or failed horn, often due to electrical faults, water ingress, or wear. While Tesla recommends professional service, DIY is possible with the right skills and tools. We'll guide you through the process, noting key considerations for a successful replacement. Before you start, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to safely remove clips without damaging parts. Torx screwdrivers in sizes T20 and T25 for removing the various fasteners on the bumper assembly. A multimeter to test electrical continuity and voltage levels during the repair. And finally, a jack and stands to safely lift and support the vehicle during bumper removal. Safety is paramount during this repair. Always disconnect the 12-volt battery first to prevent accidental activation or airbag deployment. Wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and electrical components. Ensure you have adequate lighting and work in a clean, organized workspace to avoid losing small parts or causing accidents. The first step in removing the horn is preparation. Lift the vehicle using a jack and stands for safety. If needed, remove the front wheel liners to provide better access to the undercarriage. Next, access the bumper by unclamping the underbumper cover. This exposes the horn assembly located behind the front grille. Be careful not to damage any sensors or wiring during this process. Finally, locate the horn harness and carefully disconnect it from the body control module, usually found in the frunk area. Before removal, take pictures of how everything is connected to help with reassembly. This ensures proper reconnection of the wiring. Begin the installation by preparing the new horn. Make sure your replacement is an OEM-compatible part, specifically checking part numbers such as 138780A for the Model Y. This ensures proper fit and functionality. Next, mount the new horn in its original location. Use the existing clips and bolts to secure it firmly. The horn is typically located behind the front bumper assembly, so ensure proper alignment before tightening. Finally, reconnect the wiring harness to the new horn. Ensure all connections are secure and properly seated. Double-check your work and consider applying electric grease to the connectors to help prevent water damage and corrosion. Installation is now complete. Remember to test the horn functionality before reassembling the bumper. With the new horn installed, it's time to test its functionality. First, safely reconnect the 12-volt battery to restore power to the vehicle's electrical system. Next, use the Tesla touchscreen to access the service menu and run a horn test. This built-in diagnostic ensures the horn integrates properly with the vehicle's systems. The horn should produce a loud, clear beep at approximately 110 decibels, which is comparable to the volume of a rock concert or a motorcycle engine. As an alternative testing method, you can manually apply 12 volts directly to the horn connector pins to verify it functions independently of the vehicle's systems. If there's no sound from the horn, troubleshoot by rechecking all electrical connections and using a multimeter to test for continuity in the horn's wiring harness. Avoid these common pitfalls during Tesla horn replacement. Improper reassembly can trigger airbag faults, so always use the correct torque specifications from Tesla manuals. Always follow torque specifications such as 5 to 7 newton-meters for bolts as shown in Tesla manuals. If the horn doesn't work after installation, first check the BCM for error codes. A software reset may resolve BCM-related issues before considering hardware replacement. EV maintenance is trending towards diagnostic-first approaches, with software-driven solutions reducing physical interventions. Future Teslas may integrate AI diagnostics for predictive horn maintenance. Remember, while DIY is possible, professional service ensures warranty validity and proper integration with Tesla's systems. Always prioritize safety and consult official Tesla resources. Thanks for watching.